I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream jelly updated. Start by blooming your gelatin in cold water, then dissolve it into warm cream and sugar. Mix in puree or extract for flavor, cool until it holds a gentle wobble, fold in softened ice cream for a creamy jiggle, pour into molds, and freeze until firm overnight. Simple steps keep texture light and scoopable. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and texture. Bloom the gelatin separately, then fully dissolve it into warm cream to avoid graininess. Maintain a 1:1 ratio of cream to ice cream for a balanced mouthfeel, and adjust sugar based on your ice cream sweetness. Chill until the mixture shows a slight wobble before folding in ice cream to preserve air and ensure a pleasant, jiggly finish. Pay attention to temperature and timing to prevent common issues like graininess or rubbery sets. Fully dissolve and strain gelatin to keep the texture smooth, and let the base cool to a soft set before adding ice cream. If melting happens too quickly, increase gelatin slightly or chill serving plates. Don't overcook the mix, and always taste and adjust flavors before the final freeze to ensure optimal balance and scoopability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.